Hello everyone, here we are first making the circle, after that a 1 and then the 22 number, and see how we are going to convert it into this cute little dino. You just have to make the spikes and then you just have to make use of some colorful pencils to fill it with. Don't forget to make this black patterns over the body, these will look more cute. Let's move further and try to make a giraffe. For this you just have to make a circle, after that the body is to be made. You can see how in an easy way we are able to make this one. For this one you just have to follow the each step sequentially. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. Now it's time to make the legs of this giraffe. It's best suitable for the kindergarten kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Don't forget to make the patterns by using the circles. Let's try to make another dino. This is very cute and very easy. It was the animal that was usually found millions of the years ago, but today they are not found. We can just only find them in the cartoons and we can just try to draw them because these are so cute. Fill it with some bright colors. See how we have made this. Let's move further towards another activity. First you just have to make these two lines and you just have to join them. After that you just have to make the two edges and you just have to join them at the center together. Now you just have to make the ears. We are trying to actually make a cute little squirrel. You just have to be careful while you are making the legs because we have to make only 3 not 4. Now it's time to make the fluffy tail. That's the fillet with 2 different shades of the color, like here we are using the orange and the pink. Let's move further and try to make this pet dog. First make a circle, then make a sleeping line, after that make the D shape and then you just have to join all the edges together as apparent here. Don't forget to make the ears that are the long and a bell at the center. This can make use of the different colors to fill it with. Like we are here first making it with the help of the marker. Once we are done with it, we will fill it with some of the markers. You can even make use of the pencil colors also. Let's move further and try to make this bunny. For this you just have to first make the heart shape because it's holding a heart in its paws. Now we have to make a D and after that we have to make the long ears. Then we have to make the eyes. Once you're done with it, you just have to make a cute little nose at the center. After that you are going to make some of the stars inside these hearts. Then make use of some colors to fill it with. We are making use of bright red so that it will become more attractive and the tint over the ear areas. This is so good. Let's move further towards another activity. For this one you just have to first make a circle, after that you just have to make the 2 triangles at the top so that they will represent the ears. Now it's time to make the eyes and the cute little nose and the mouth areas to be made. Now it's time to move further and try to make the rest of the body. This activity is very simple and very easy. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. You just have to make the fluffy body as apparent here. Now fill it with some of the bright colors. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one you just have to make the D shape, or we can say the semicircle shapes, 6 in number. Once you are done with it, we have made use of the different colors for this one. It's time to make the different type of the features. For the first one we are trying to make the features of the crab. Once we are done with it, now we will for the next one we will make a panda shape, and once the panda shape is ready, now it's time to make the frog. Once the frog is ready, let's try to make the hen, and after that we will make a piggy, and at last but not the least we will make a bear. Thank you.